against 2 million. Let's continue. Now, what do we trade on the forex market? So have you ever asked yourself, what at all do we trade on the market? Now, this is very simple. Okay, I'm going to break it down for you to get understanding. Okay, on the forex market, we trade currencies. Let me go back. This is what we do trade on the forex market. We trade currencies on the forex market. So we trade currencies like USD, GBP, JPY, AUD, CHF, and so on. There are 8 major currencies that we trade on the forex market. Okay, and then we have minor currencies. So in currency, we have major currencies and we have minor currencies, and then we have the exotic currencies. So we trade currencies like GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, and then CHF, USD, or etc. etc. There are a lot of currencies that we do trade on the forex market. These are examples of currencies that we trade on the forex market, but this is just small currencies that I've listed them here. Okay, for just example sake, but we do trade a lot. So how did we come about the GDP and the USD? Somebody may ask. These are called pairs, currency pairs. We call them currency pairs. Something combination like this, a combination of 2 currencies called pairs. Okay, that is what we trade on the forex market. So USD, we have USD as a major currency, we have GBP as a major currency, we have AUD as a major currency, we have CHF as a major currency, we have a lot of currency. There are 8 currencies. We have Euro as a major currency. We have what? Let me choose so you find it out. So they are major currencies that you can trade on the forex market. And we have commodities that we trade on the forex market. We don't only trade currencies on the forex market, but we also trade commodities on the forex market. Okay, so we have commodities like gold, oil, sugar, salt, timber, wood, and a whole lot of commodities that are being traded on the forex market. And we have options. You can also trade options on the forex market. We have synthesis and shares. So all these are traded using platforms and then apps. Okay, all these are traded using platforms and apps. I hope you get me. You understand what I'm trying to mean? Are you here? Now let's continue. So all these are traded using platform and apps. What type of apps? What kind of apps do we use? Okay, fine. Now with the invention of technologies, we do trade with MT4, MT5, or C Trader, and now we still have another apps on the market. Are you shocked? Don't get shocked. Okay, more will be coming. So let's continue. So we do your analysis on TradingView, and some also do trade on TradingView as well as a platform. Now let's go to what do we trade on the forex market. We are still on the do we trade on the forex market here. So first, in the forex market, traders primarily exchange currencies. This lesson over here, I will explain into details as you see over here on my next lesson. So if you want to get access to my next lesson, can you hit the subscribe button for me and also like this video so I recommend it to others. Okay, now let's continue. So they trade currency pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, JPY, etc, etc. And now let's go to the dollar group. We have these commodities over here. We have, as I told you, we have natural gas, soya beans, corn, sugar, wheat, and then you have the indexes. We have the dollar group, the US dollar, JP, USD, USD CAD, USD NOK, USD JPY, USD CHF, USD SEK, and the USD PLN. All these are currencies. We call them the dollar group. Okay, the AUD, USD, NZD, USD, USD CAD, okay, and CAD. And we have the Japanese group, the yen. Okay, and then we have the futures. So these are currencies that we do trade on the forex market. Bear in mind. So now let me just give you a sample scenario over here. Okay, just short understanding. You saw this here. You saw this thing over here. It's at the same time here. So I want to just let me break it down into small details for you to understand. But then detailed one, I'll detail it into the next video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and also like this video to recommend it to the next person. Okay, so Euro USD, as you are seeing over here, is Euro, and then USD as the first. Euro is the first pair, okay, and it's always the base currency, which is the superior over the USD. And then we have the USD as the second pair, is the quote pair or the counter pair. Now, if I am going to buy USD, I need 1 euro to buy USD at the price, okay, at the market price. And if I'm going to sell USD, I'll sell it at market price to get my euro. Now, I'm not going to explain this here. We're going to explain it in my next video, so don't miss it out. Check out my next video by subscribing to the channel.